The A380, what does a terminal need to have to accommodate the aircraft?
The A380 can accommodate nearly 850 passengers and more, though the Emirates configuration with the first and business class is less than that number. But in terms of numbers, we need big passengers. So we need very efficient and effective terminal where passengers can get quick access through immigration and security, and then also good facilities for check-in for the passengers. Jet bridges also helps the disembarkation of the passengers and makes it very efficient and effective for A380 passengers.
So what experience would passengers flying the A380 to Accra would expect to experience?
The 380 is a very unique aircraft, a double-decker aircraft, which many people don't come across that often. And also the seats are very comfortable, bigger pitch and more legroom. You get internet service, live TVs, on-board lounge, which is very, very unbelievable. And we've got the shower spa. So for passengers traveling for a long period, taking a shower, feel refreshed before you land, you can just land and go straight to your meeting without feeling any fatigue or jet lag. So it's a unique aircraft for passenger experience.
Has the terminal, the runway in Kotoka been A380 ready or compliant all this while?
The terminal runway in Kotoka International Airport has always been A380 capable, because we need minimum 45 meters width runway, which is 50, so more than that. And it's got all the facilities, ILS, and very good facilities and long enough to take the 380. As a matter of fact, the 380 sometimes require less runway to take off than the 777, because we've got very big wing and it gives us amazing lift, so we can take off even on a shorter runway than the 777. So the runway at Kotoka has always been capable to accommodate the 380 in terms of takeoff and landing. It's just the apron, which was a bit tight for the wings of the 380, so it couldn't taxi around the apron area. But with the new development, it's been widened and it's now a 380.